Entry doors. Miami Beach is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. With a wide range of options available, including custom entry doors, impact doors, and hurricane doors, Miami Beach residents can find the perfect solution to meet their needs. Entry door experts in Miami Beach offer professional installation services to ensure that your new door is fitted perfectly and functions efficiently. Front door replacement in Miami Beach is a popular choice for those looking to update their home's exterior. Whether you're interested in modern entry doors or traditional entry doors, Miami Beach front door services provide a variety of styles and materials to choose from. Wooden entry doors, steel entry doors, and fiberglass entry doors are all available, each offering unique benefits in terms of durability, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. Custom entry doors. Miami Beach services allow homeowners to personalize their entryway with unique designs and features. Entry door customization options include a variety of entry door styles, materials, and hardware to create a door that reflects your personal taste and complements your home's architecture. Entry door design. Miami Beach experts can help you select the perfect combination of elements to achieve the desired look and functionality. Entry doors. Miami Beach is essential for maintaining the security and appearance of your home. Miami Beach door replacement services address issues such as damaged door frames, malfunctioning entry door hardware, and worn-out seals. Entry door maintenance. Miami Beach professionals can also provide regular upkeep to extend the lifespan of your door and ensure it remains in top condition. Impact doors. Miami Beach and hurricane doors. Miami Beach are vital for protecting homes from severe weather conditions. These doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. Energy-efficient doors. Miami Beach options are also available, helping homeowners reduce energy costs by improving insulation and minimizing drafts. Entry door sealing. Miami Beach services are important for preventing air and water leaks, which can lead to increased energy bills and potential damage to your home. Entry door painting. Miami Beach can refresh the appearance of your door while also providing an additional layer of protection against the elements. Entry door maintenance. Miami Beach services ensure that your door remains functional and visually appealing for years to come. Door security systems. Miami Beach are an essential component of any entry door installation. These systems provide added protection against unauthorized entry and can be customized to suit your specific security requirements. Entry door hardware. Miami Beach options include locks, handles, and hinges that enhance both the functionality and appearance of your door. Entry doors. Miami Beach cost can vary depending on the materials, design, and complexity of the project. Entry door experts Miami Beach can provide detailed estimates and help you choose the best options for your budget. Entry door brands. Miami Beach offer a wide selection of high-quality products, ensuring that you find the perfect door to meet your needs and preferences.